Number 25. Jennifer drove 110 miles in 2 hours. She drove the first 78 miles at an average speed of 65 miles per hour. What was her average speed during the final 32 miles of her drive? So I'm going to draw this one. That's long been a habit of mine. If someone or something is moving, I like to draw a picture. So we know that she drove 110 miles. And we know that it took her 2 hours. Okay, so really, I want to put those values over here because this is the final amount of time. So let me just move those over out of the way. Now, we know that she drove the first 78 miles. So if we split this line up and make this be that 78 miles, that she drove at a speed of 65 miles per hour. So we want to know how many hours that took. 78 miles at 65 miles an hour. That's going to be 78 miles divided by 65 miles in 1 hour. That is going to be 1.2 hours. So 1 hour and then 2/10 of another hour. So this much of her trip took 1.2 hours because we know that she was driving 65 miles an hour. So if I take the 2 hours that the whole trip took minus the 1.2 hours for that 78 miles of her trip, that's going to leave us with 0.8 or 0.8 hours. That's going to be this number. And we want to know, we know that it was 32 miles because 32 plus 78 is 110. So here's the actual math problem we need to do. We're looking for her speed. So we're going to do 32 divided by 0.8. 32 divided by 0.8 is 40 miles an hour. So I like C for that one.